part B of this lesson. We are working with, again, fractional exponents and roots, but this time the numerator of our fractional exponents is not going to be 1. So these are going to be not more complicated, but we are going to have a few more things to do. So first let's start with these roots, and we're going to change them to fractional exponents. Here, again, I have the guide for you up here if you need to look at it. So now we actually do have a numerator different than 1, so we have to pay attention to that. In this case, these are written in this form, so a, the number that all of this is being raised to, is going to be our numerator for our fractional exponent. So if we do that, we have a base of 2. Like I said, our numerator is what it's being raised to, so we have 2 over, and then our root becomes our denominator, so 3. So that's our fractional exponent. Let's look at this one. Our base is x. Our power is 3. Our power becomes our numerator, and our root becomes our denominator, and our root is 5. So x to the 3/5 is our fractional exponent. Now we're going to change the fractional exponents to roots. So let's look at this one. We have x to the 2/3. So we have a root, and our denominator is the number that attaches to our root, which is 3x. And I'm going to go ahead and just write it like these were given, just so it's easier. So squared. If you want to write it the other way, you can. It just looks like that. But I would just keep it consistent and go ahead and write it like that one. Okay, last one. So our denominator is our root. So we are taking the 5th root of z. All of that is being raised to the 3rd power. So hopefully by now you can figure out how to change from a fractional exponent to a root and a root to a fractional exponent.